na binuo na task force on extrajudicial killings, nakapagsimula na po siyang magkalap ng ebidensya. At i-consolidate po natin yan kasama ng bagong committee report ng Quadcom. So, pag pinagsama-sama po natin yan, magkakaroon tayo ng evaluation at we will have a follow-up investigation and additional subpoenas to be issued to witnesses so that we will complete the necessary evidence to determine whether this crime of IHL, International Humanitarian Law, or crimes against humanity was really committed.
Sir, ipapasapi na po ba si dating Pangulong?
We will look into that possibility, but as of now, there are already admissions on record made by the former president, and that is evidence that is admissible because these are all under oath and in a public proceeding.
Sir, immune pa ba siya? First, para lang po maintindihan na po ng publiko, kasi dati po siyang Pangulo.
Well, definitely the past presidents, and I'm referring to anybody, all past presidents are no longer immune from suit. Only the sitting president is immune from any legal suit during his time.
Sir, on Mary Jane Veloso, sinabi
Wala.
Wala. Okay,
Not
sir.
covered.
not covered.